Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. Welcome. I'm almost sick of saying that. I really am. If you follow my vlogs, you will know we have in fact temporarily moved. I say temporarily because I'm completely reminding myself that this is not forever. Yes, this is a beautiful little house. We have found a place that is clean and dry and very convenient to temporarily live in while our house is under large contractual construction. Again, if you follow my vlogs, you would know that. Many different topics I want to cover in videos to come. This is such a cute room to be in. I'm so comfortable. I've worked it out so I can just sit down and sort of nut out a few videos for you guys. But today's video is a bit of a shocker. That is right. I would like to thank today's video sponsor, and that again luckily is Satire. I have done a past partnership with Satire and I love their site. They are an online fashion emporium, all different brands and labels, and being an emporium they can source it from all places around the world. The only downside is once it is gone, it is gone. For example, you could be getting, you know, a Saint Laurent bag from Macy's in New York, and then once it's gone from Macy's in New York, it's gone. They might find another stockist that they can middleman for, but once it's gone, it won't be shown on the website. So this tee, which I will link to below, is the Saint Laurent tee. I've wanted it for so long. With Satire, it came up and I was like, oh, okay, I'm just gonna go for it. And then when I went back, it wasn't there. Like it had, obviously they had sold the stock from that stockist, if that makes sense. So I'll link to this below because it is fabulous. It's such a gorgeous cotton. But what we're here today for is this unboxing. OMG. So, stalking Satire's website, this puppy came up and I just thought, you know what? Let's do it. Let's take a peek. The amazing PRADA has totally rebirthed this last season because of this re-edition. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. Truthfully, camera does not do this justice. It doesn't. And to all my girls out there in the luxe that have this bag, they well know that camera doesn't do it justice. I honestly have seen it on many different, obviously Instagrammers and different videos and whatnot, and it just, until you get it in person and be like, what? It is crazy. This is a PRADA all over strass bag in the 2005 or 2000s re-edition. What I didn't really understand is why each different bag as such has a different year, right? Some is 2005, some is 2000, I think. Let me know in the comments below if you know the answer. But look at this bag. Like, are you kidding? It reminds me of an ice skating outfit I had once. Mum was like, that looks like your ice skating leotard you had. I had all over strass crystals. So to quickly give you a look inside, it's got the little toggle here. The strap is actually made of like the woven nylon. So it's actually quite comfortable in the hand. So it's beautifully stuffed. Everything comes very nicely from Satire, obviously all packaging, all cards and care booklets included. It's also got like a detector code. It has no pockets, it's just got one nameplate on the back there that says Prada Milano. And you can see down inside there's the black satin lining, which is really nice. It's actually quite roomy, and I've seen some what's in my bags with it and I'm just like, what? It is quite roomy. It can hold quite a lot. I'm gonna do like a reel on Instagram with it, I think. Here is the iconic plaque, triangular plaque up close, Prada Milano, and that's obviously what the re-edition is that was just like total 2000s, right? Have you guys ever seen Serendipity? I feel like Serendipity made it like so kind of famous with her Prada wallet. Prada and Prado. That's exactly what I thought of the second it came out, the re-editions came out. But my gosh. So, the main question, where? This is so much like my, this is so much like my pearl mini from Chanel. In pictures, in videos, it just looks so delicate and like, oh my god, these straps are just stuck on, they're going to just fall off. This is fabric. This is not done after, like this is actual integrated fabric. So it's really sturdy. It's so sturdy. There is pretty much no way, I mean, unless you're gonna take this out for a night on the town and sort of, you know, throw it in the corner of the nightclub. Listen, it's like hanging on, girl. This bag is hanging on. Do I think this is like the pearl mini from Chanel for Prada? Definitely. Definitely, I just think it's one of those standout bags that really got a lot of hype and it's different. So that is it, guys. That is my unboxing today. Thank you so much to Satire for sponsoring this video. I will leave all their links below, especially of other items I have been stalking on their website. I said that in my last video, but I truthfully just sit there stalking the website, looking at what I like, looking at what's hot. They've got a lot of shades. I'm really trying not to purchase any more expensive eyewear, but trust me, their sunnies are hot. So I hope you liked that video, guys. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you wish to do so, there is a button below. I would super appreciate that, guys. I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe. I will see you in my next video, guys. Take care. Peace.